Welcome to video NB31, rounding a decimal in a different number base. Here's the problem. Round 3.6759 base 12 to the nearest 1/144th. All right, so first we've got to identify what the place values are, find the 1/144th, go to the right column, and decide if that's big enough to warrant rounding up or not. All right, so first let's identify the place values. So since I'm in base 12, to the immediate left of the decimal would be 12 to the 0, 12 to the negative 1, 12 to the negative 2, 12 to the negative 3, 12 to the negative 4. Let's put down friendlies, the 1s, the 1/12ths, the 1/44ths. I don't really care about those, so I want to round to the nearest two decimal places here. So what I do is I go one place value to the right. And I ask myself, is that number high enough to warrant rounding this up? Or if not, I just let it be. So now what we gotta discuss is, what is that magical number where you're high enough to round up? All right, so I've got examples in base 10, base 11, and base 12. So here are the digits in base 10, 0 through 9. And what we usually do is we try to seek the digit that's in the middle. Well, since I've got an even number of digits, I don't have one in the middle. I've really got 4 and 5 in the middle. And what we do in that case is we typically choose the digit to the right to have that power for rounding up or not. So in base 10, if this were a 5 or higher, I would round that up. But we're not in base 10. Let's suppose I was in base 11. Again, to find that magical digit to round up, find the digit in the middle. Well, in this case, it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I was in base 11, again, this is the middle or above, so I would round. But I'm not in base 11. I'm in base 12. So let's find the middle digit in base 12. Well, I've got an even number. It'll be a pair. 5 and 6 are in the middle. So adopting the same strategy as in base 10, we select the digit that's further to the right, and that's the magical digit for rounding or not. So now I go back to my problem in base 12. Is this a 6 or above? The answer is no, so I just let it be. So my answer will be, it's approximately 3.67 in base 12, rounded to the nearest 1/144th. And there you have it, how to round a decimal in a different number base.